Hello everyone, welcome to this complete beginner's guide to ArcGIS Pro. If you are totally new to GIS, if you have just installed ArcGIS Pro and feel overwhelmed, or if you want a structured step-by-step learning path from zero to confident user, this series is for you. Let's go through a brief introduction to ArcGIS Pro. First, let's see what is GIS. The elaboration of GIS is Geographic Information System. This is a system used to capture geographic data, store spatial information, analyze locations, visualize maps, and make better decisions. The example uses of GIS are urban planning, agriculture, disaster management, and environmental monitoring. Now let's discuss about ArcGIS Pro. ArcGIS Pro is a professional desktop GIS software developed by Esri. ArcGIS Pro allows you to create maps, perform spatial analysis, work with satellite imagery, and also work with UAV and other imagery, manage geographic database, produce high-quality layouts. Why should we learn ArcGIS Pro? Because it is industry standard GIS software used by many government organizations and researchers. It has powerful 2D and 3D mapping tools and support remote sensing and spatial modeling, and integrates with Python for automation. If you want to perform any GIS analysis, ArcGIS Pro is an important tool. What we will learn in this course? First, we will learn how to install and then create a project, and then we will have a brief introduction about the interface. And in the next step, we will add data, begin basic mapping using ArcGIS Pro. We will learn how to add spatial data, basic layer styling, simple analysis, and create map layers. Let's get started. First, we will go through the installation process. We will download ArcGIS Pro from our organizational account and install. If you use personal account, you can also download and install the same way. First, go to the browser and in Google you search for ArcGIS online and enter. You will find this link. Click on this link, says ArcGIS online. Click on the sign in button. Here insert your credentials. You can click on this keep me sign in button and click on the sign in. Now we are logged in to our organization account. Now in the top right corner you will see your account details. Click on this button and go to my settings. Here you will see your general information. Now click on this licenses button and scroll down. You will, if your organization have the license for ArcGIS Pro, you will see a download button to the right of this ArcGIS Pro option. Click on this download ArcGIS Pro button, and here you can select the language. Now let's click on the download button to download. This is the file we have downloaded. Let's double click on this. It may take some time. Here you will be asked to show a destination folder where the package should be extracted to. Later on you can delete these files because it will be only the extracted files. Now click on the next button. it will be extracted to our documents folder. Let's keep that and click on the next button. The installation files have been successfully extracted to our computer. Launch the setup program option is checked on. Now if we close, it will launch the setup program. Click on the close button. It says the missing prerequisite, that means it needs .NET Framework runtime. Click on this button to download that. We need to download the .NET Desktop Runtime 8 point something. So this is the option, and we should download the 64-bit installer. Click on this. And save. The .NET runtime is downloaded. Now let's click on this. And install. Click yes. It will say that installation was successful. Now close this. Since it said that missing prerequisite, it stopped the installation process. Now you can exit this and finish. Now let's go to our documents folder. Here is our extracted ArcGIS Pro. Click on this. And now we can again start the installation process. Click on the setup and click next. Next. Accept the master agreement. Next. And again next. If you want to install the AI models and other things, you can click on this, but for now we can go for the basic mode. Click on next. And if you want to participate the anonymous data collection, you can check on this, or you can also uncheck these options. Click on install. Now since we have installed the .NET Desktop Runtime, so it will be installed without any error. Let's check. The installation process is going on. It will take several minutes based on your machine's performance. The installation is done. Now if you want to run the ArcGIS Pro, just click on finish. The ArcGIS Pro is being initialized. Here it will ask you to log in. Just insert the same credentials that you use to download, or you can use other credentials as well. We inserted our credentials and press the sign in button. The installation process is done. Now we will see how to create a project in ArcGIS Pro. To create a project in ArcGIS Pro, click on Map. A new window will appear. Here we need to give our project name. Let's name it My Project 2. And in the location, we need to show the location. Let's browse the location in our computer. And let's select this. Now if we check on this, a new folder named My Project 2 will be created, and if we uncheck this, the project will be saved in new folder. Let's check this to make a folder named My Project 2 and press OK. Our project has been created and open with a map where already world hillshade and world topographic map base map is added. If you want another base map, you can select map, and by clicking on the base map you can select whatever base map you like.